I grew up the oldest of 7 children, and my mom passed away at a young age. We didn't have much, but we worked hard to make it, like so many others.
Nina Turner.
Today's families are working just as hard, but they're barely able to get by. And we have politicians more focused on serving the special interests than serving the people who work for a living.
After putting herself through college, Nina Turner went to the Senate, where she's fought tirelessly for us. In the Senate, Turner fended off relentless attacks on the bargaining rights of firefighters, nurses, and teachers. And she's helped Ohio families start and expand small businesses. But she's just getting started. Turner knows that the true power to make our state better lies with us.
Our voice and our vote are the most powerful tools we have. Our vote can lead to better jobs and better schools, and I won't let anyone take that away from us.
Early voting starts Tuesday, October 7th, and your vote matters for our community. Vote Nina Turner for Secretary of State. Paid for by Friends of Nina Turner.